Struggling with multiple RGB devices from different brands and frustrated with the endless software installations? Trust me, no one needs 5 different programs for 5 different brand devices. But guess what? I have got a solution that might save you a ton of time and space. And you can thank me later. Introducing SignalRGB, a fantastic software to sync all your RGB devices on your computer in one go. Say goodbye to the chaos of juggling multiple programs. Here's how you can get started. Go to Google, type SignalRGB in the search bar. Visit this SignalRGB website. Click on the official SignalRGB site. Download the software, hit the download button and wait for it to complete. Install and launch. Follow the installation steps. And voila, you're all set. I've already installed SignalRGB and I can show you how this marvel actually works.
So let me show how it really works. So this is the layout. You can change your lighting if you already synced it. If you have not synced any of your motherboard device, actually you can sync any device whatever it is linked to your RGB headers or keyboard or mouse. So for example, you have RGB strip, which is a local brand, which is like totally without brand, no brand it's available. So you can still identify and tell that particular this SignalRGB that where you have actually plugged in that LED, and they will recognize it and it will sync as per your system. Here I have synced. You can see that I have synced my keyboard and a motherboard, and I can actually identify in which particular header my strip, LED strip, or my LED fan is connected. Here if I go, this showing that there is one LED strip which I've already installed, which is a local brand, but it is saying it is not configure, may not work. But trust me guys, that if you tell this particular things that you have linked this header to this particular a local strip, it will again run it and I run it smoothly and will sync everything. So that's a quick guide, and you can add and select what headers you wanted and where it is particularly lying in, and it will be very helpful for you guys to set up the device. If you go in that PC monitoring, it will show you that what all currently it's a fan is available, and it is syncable. See, here it is like MSI keyboard, MSI motherboard, and MSI and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphic card. It is again a syncable, so you can sync any device which you have linked in, and it will be running very smoothly. If you guys have any question regarding how to sync an device which is attached to a particular header, then you can ping me. If I receive like 500 plus like, then I can give you a complete tutorial how to link each and every headers in your system, and which will look perfectly beautiful. Okay, so signing off. Just let me know if you have any issues right now. I don't see any difficulty in linking it. It is very easy and very precise how we can link it. It will show all the things. Then yeah, that's it. Just let me know if you have any issue while downloading it. Sign off. Bye bye.